Good morning, traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So what can we say about the daily? We did form a lower low here, you can see there, but the overall trend line here is still very much intact, and we've pretty much bounced off that fairly solidly. I think the level that I'm watching at the moment on this is going to be 27665. So that is a previous swing high. So if we just come down to the 3 hour here, we will see there is another area we need to pay attention to, which is right where price is floating at the moment, and that is 2800. Okay, so upward channel is intact. We do have this spike and channel. Okay, if you're unfamiliar with the spike and channel, I do have links in the description below to two of Al Brooks's books around price action, well worth investing in. And that is pretty much you have a spike, and then price tends to channel. So spike and then channel, and it often does the same thing here. Spike, channel. Okay, so it does it both ways. It's always very interesting to spot them, because you can actually, it's in a channel or a triangle format. So there's basically triangles all over. There's two triangles. There's one. There's two. Okay. Anyway, we're not here to discuss price action. So at the moment, this is a sit on hand situation for me. We are testing this 2800 area, and I think we want to go down to the hour here just to double check what is happening at the moment. Pretty similar pattern to the S&P. We have this triangle forming here, so it's been a solid move up, and now we have this consolidation pattern. And the consolidation pattern is coming back to structure, and the structure is here. And I'm going to use this one here so we don't do too much of a messy chart. So here are the two levels that we're looking at. So it's 27,840 and 27,776. That would be an area that I'd want to buy in at. So the only concern I've got is, you can see we've got above the moving average here, and now we've got above it. We've come back to test it, so this needs to hold. Okay, and the way you're going to get into this trade with confidence is realize that you're looking for a hold above the 1 hour moving average. So come down to your 15 minute, forget about the moving average on the 15 minute. You're looking for structure breaks on the 15 minute, and your closest structure break is going to be pretty much there. So you want to see a break, a retest of that, and start moving higher. That's going to give you the confidence to get in. And if you relate that back to your 1 hour chart, you will be above your moving average. Okay, at the moment it is a little bit volatile, and it is a bit topsy-turvy. Unlike the S&P, I'm looking for a bit of a deeper pullback, but this structure is fairly solid. So I would look to buy off any sort of bullish price action in this zone. Okay, if that fails, then I would look lower down at any of these tails here. That you can basically draw a line. If I draw a line like that, you take this swing low here, look at the Fibonacci, see where it comes down to, find bullish price action down there. Definitely look at that. If I pull back that deep, then I'd be looking to take profit on this trend line again, same as yesterday. But if we actually break here, this flag gets broken, I'd expect a bit of a move to the trend line, a pullback, come test the break, and then opportunity to get back in again. Okay, so yeah, watching it very closely. I am neutral at the moment, just sitting watching this to see what's going to transpire. It's either going to go up or down. I mean, that is the simplicity of it. But we're going to have to wait and see what investors are doing. Are they panicking? Have they waited for this pretty strong move up to get out of the position they were trapped in? Or have they scaled in and are now starting to get ready to scale in again? So those are the two scenarios. And the price action will tell us that later in the day. Okay, so anyway, still looking to buy. Just watching price action at the different levels, and if we do get bullish price action, and bullish price action is engulfing bars, pin bars, and inside bars. So any of those patterns off a level will get me long again. Otherwise, I think I'll just sit and wait for this to see what transpires. Okay, anyway guys, hope it helps, and we will catch you later. Cheers for now.